So today we're going to be making the tabletop fryer stand, removable chopping board out of some kind of reclaimed timber left over from the fencing job I did a couple of months ago. See how we go, shall we? Had to rip a plank down on the table saw. Yeah, I'm now using the planer to take the edge off to give me a smooth face so I can glue. Here we are, lovely. Should work out quite nice, this. So because the planer thicknesser is only 300mm wide, I've had to do it in two sections, unfortunately, but it is what it is sometimes. We best leave this overnight for the glue to cure. So I think I had to put this through probably 20 to 30 times, just because it was like semi-old timber that's been sitting about for a while. I wanted to make sure it was nice and flat before I attempted to give it a sand off. Here I'm just marking it out for the router width, so I know what it's going to do when it sits down inside the framework. Second half going through. Just a 1/4 inch round over bit now to make a nice edge on it on the palm router. Now onto the sander, 120 grit, finish it off. Now I suppose we better check it fits before we stain it. Lint-free cloth, aka one of the boys' t-shirts.
Colours. We have a family colour which is orange. It's a bright orange dog that Simon's in Leicester. Our orange dog, Gatsby Pasty or Carrots.
Can somebody explain to me why they make these such an arsehole to get out of the box? Honestly.
Yeah.
Are you being such a fucking ass? Can't for a reason, or what? Looks alright, doesn't it? I'm quite happy with that, considering it's literally just made out of some leftover timber.